Locked out of your Binance Web3 wallet? Don't panic, we're here to guide you through the recovery process, ensuring you regain access to your precious crypto. First, open your Binance app and navigate to the Web3 Wallet section. You'll typically find this on the home screen or within the Wallets tab. Now, instead of creating a new wallet, look for the Import or Recover option. This is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. You'll be presented with two options: recovering with your seed phrase or with your private key. The seed phrase is a series of 12 or 24 words, while the private key is a long string of characters. Choose the method you prefer. We recommend the seed phrase if you have it, as it's generally more secure. Carefully enter your seed phrase or private key into the provided fields. Double check for typos or spaces. A single mistake can lead to a failed recovery. Once you've entered your seed phrase or private key, click on Import or Restore. The app will then verify the information. If everything is correct, your Binance Web3 wallet will be restored. If you encounter any errors during the recovery process, ensure you've entered the correct seed phrase or private key. Check your internet connection and try again. If problems persist, contact Binance customer support for further assistance. And that's it. You've successfully restored your Binance Web3 wallet. Remember to keep your seed phrase and private key secure and never share them with anyone. Happy trading.